This is the Tecware Fusion small form factor PC case and we're unboxing it right now. Let's go. Got my trusty SOG. If you know, you know. Let's open it up. Ooh, soft foam. That's good. All your screws come in this nice little hard case, neatly distributed. Awesome. And here is the case itself. It comes wrapped in cloth. First thing I want to do, I want to replace this solid metal side panel, which has good ventilation, for this tempered glass side panel because it looks way cooler. Slides in and pops in place like that. Super duper easy. I'll do a peel. So this is a Tecware Fusion M. What do you think? It's really nice, really small. Full review will be up on YouTube in a couple of weeks, so make sure you subscribe to that as well.